Hello, Little Lake family. This is Roger here. Hope you're all staying well and healthy during this crazy time we're going through. But I just wanted to give you a quick video here. For those of you who have maybe never started your own classroom, maybe you're just feeling uncomfortable about starting your own classroom in Google Classroom. This is a quick little tutorial to walk you through the one-page tutorial that I've also created. So let's get started. This will be quick. Follow along with the tutorial sheet, and as always, if you have any questions at the end, please feel free to email me. So I've got my tutorial here on the left-hand side. This will be available to you. You can print it out or just simply have it up on your computer. It's up to you. I've also got another browser open on the right-hand side. It does look different. I'm using Firefox for this, just so you can see that it doesn't matter what browser you're using, although I do recommend Chrome. If somebody stumbles along and uses Firefox, you're going to be okay. All right, so let's get started. We are going to go to Google, or classroom.google.com. Now, I purposely have not signed in here yet, so you will see it's going to ask me to sign in. You may even be asked to click on something that says Go to Classroom. It's a blue button in the middle. And if you do, just click on it, and you'll be redirected here. From here, you're going to log in. Enter your username and then your password. Some of you may already be signed in, and when you do go to classroom.google.com, you'll simply come to this page here. Now, to get started, in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to see a plus sign. You're going to click on this plus sign, and you're going to choose Create Class. Now, from here, you can name your class. Whatever this might be, let's just call it online learning. These section subjects and rooms are not necessary. You can do them if you'd like to. We're going to hit create. Now, once I do this, it's going to drop me right into my Google Classroom. The important thing to note here is once this classroom does pop up, you're not going to have any students in there. Obviously, you just created this for the first time. But what you need to do is then find a way to share this right here, called your class code, with your students. If you click on this little button here, it's going to make it really large for you. You can also look at it that way. What I would recommend is send this class code through something like email if your students are using that. You could also do it through ClassDojo, Remind, or any other service that you might be using to communicate with your students and families during this time. Okay, the other option you have, I call this the long way, is by clicking on the People tab up here. You can invite them directly through email, so you can do it that way as well, but this will require you to enter their email addresses to get that sent to them. So, like I said, it feels to me like it's the long way. Okay, now from here, once you've done this and you have your students in there, this stream is really where everything's going to get started. And the easiest way for you as a teacher to get started using this, to get your students used to interacting with it, is to just simply share something with your students here. It doesn't require you to add an assignment. You're not adding a video or any attachment. It's just a simple way to say hi. And from here, you would just simply type, how has school been going? And maybe it's just something to get them started thinking, communicating, whatever that might be. When you take that and when you post, now that's going to be available for any of those students that have logged on to your classroom. Okay? Once you've done that, you're all set. Your classroom's ready. Your students can now interact with you and you can start adding things. This video is going to end here. I don't want to make this too long. This is meant to be the very basics. In the next tutorial that I provide, we will include things like changing some of the settings, adding attachments, and then displaying videos. I know a lot of teachers have asked about using videos for their students and adding those to their classroom. So those have been some of the things that have been asked the most of. So we'll include those on the next ones. As always, if you have any questions, please, I'm just an email away. Send them my way and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you, and please take care during this time.